Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in Vivaldi Browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This feature makes Vivaldi always try to load websites using secure HTTPS connections instead of HTTP, which helps improve your privacy and security. So let's get started. First open Vivaldi browser, then click on Vivaldi icon in the top left corner. Then select settings. Under Vivaldi settings, click on address bar in the left sidebar. On the right, under security features, turn this one option on. Check this one option that says always use secure connections HTTPS. That's it. Now Vivaldi will automatically try to upgrade websites from HTTP to HTTPS. If a website does not support HTTPS, the browser will show a warning before loading it. This help protects your browsing from insecure connections. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.